freaking dark. Get in here before it gets ya.
Oh, it is. I'm scared for you guys.
Why?
That's a lot of fucking rain.
I worry, yeah, for people on the east side. My goodness, look at that. Look at that.
Cloud separation over downtown, so.
We got this until, I think 3:45.
Wow.
Look at that. Non-stop, 2 days. That's what it feels like.
Stopped for a minute.
Woo! There goes the Sirens. No, it's a thunderstorm watch. I wouldn't know, but
I'd say watch.
there might be a little hail with this. Who knows? It's a thunderstorm watch. Warning. Thunderstorm warning. We just got to be careful of trees, really. I think our tree's doing all right. You know what scares me more than anything? That siren.
Yeah?
I don't like that siren. It scares me. Which I guess is good.
This is like Florida weather. This is crazy.
It is crazy.
I'm sorry. When I was in Florida, this is exactly how it came down. Boom! Out of nowhere.
I'm digging it.
I'm all down for the rain. I love the rain. Except when it's just in my shoes. Then I get a little irritated.
Oh. Wish you knew what?
Ooh, wish I could help them fix that.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna get it wet.
What?
You're gonna get it wet.
What gun?
That gun.
I don't know what the gun is.
It's like a pellet gun.
Oh. Yeah. It is a pellet gun.
Okay. What's that guy though? There's a guy.
I'll shoot you. You come near me. With a pellet. Oh, I can't hold it.
Down First Avenue. There's a river running down First Avenue.
You're kidding.
No. I was like, God damn.
I know it's pretty bad over on the east side. I heheard some people over by Polk lost power.
Oh, shit.
We are just getting slammed.
That's freaking hurricane weather. We ain't close enough to the water to get in a hurricane.
Well, we do get there. We do, though. We get their range. I think that's Greg right there. That stupid bucket wasn't there. I could hold the door open. Trying not to get my cameras wet, but it's not working. I don't see his bike. Yeah, when he's home, funny, when he's home, his bike is out there. Yeah. Wow.
He's like, no.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! What's up, man?
I'm wishing that rain barrel wasn't there so I could open this door. I can't move it.